Hey everybody, Grant here with Canada Brush Control, and we are at another job. As you can tell from the last video, we got hit with, well, they're calling it a very serious microburst. They're not using the word tornado, but we are here at another property to clean up. We aren't going to go all the way into there. The goal today is to go about 20 feet in, clean it up along the driveway, and just give them some access and try and give it a bit of have some curb appeal. They have a wedding next week. The owner is a veteran and was already injured in the war with Iraq, and he tried to clear a lot of this stuff so that way they can at least get into their driveway, and he ended up getting injured in the process. And because of his injuries from Iraq, he was having a difficult time trying to get stuff done. So we got called in. We're here to try and clean up, tidy up, and try and make it look a bit nicer for the wedding next week on his property. So I got my bestest little bud here, and she's going to be helping. It's actually turning out to be a nice day. A little bit windy, so we're gonna have to watch with some of these trees that are still hanging down. And we had major rain last night, so the ground's gonna be soft. But anyways, we're gonna put you on a tripod somewhere, and we'll continue going. Here we go. All right, so we are done. We have 5% of the battery, so I'm gonna make this quick. Hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna flip it around now and show you what we did. So we're gonna go through this really fast. All right, so the battery died on the GoPro, so we're using my phone. So what the customer want, he has a wedding this weekend, so he needed to get the roadway open back up and kind of looking a little better than what it was. So this is the final result. The owner is really, really happy. Kind of looks back to normal in some ways. I mean, it's still chaos over there, but he really likes it. Everything's back up to par. It's wide enough so they can get the mobile homes in. Go. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a quick one-day job. We just came in just to help them out. As you've seen, we have a lot of devastation in the area here, and there may be a few more, but either way, we got a bunch of jobs lined up. And I want to say thank you to our customers who were more than amazing and put their scheduled work aside and understood that we had to come out and help with the emergency cleanup. So, with that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.